Morning, traders. I'm going to, it's 6 o'clock on a Monday morning. I'm going to open up Ninja, see what's going on in the markets, and maybe give some couple tips this morning. One of the first things you're going to notice when I open my NinjaTrader in the morning is I've opened this to a blank workspace, and I am not automatically connecting to data. I am not. The first thing that I want to do when I open in the morning is I want the platform to open. I want to go to my log tab, and I want to make sure that everything is loaded correctly, everything's working correctly, there's no errors. And not only that, but you can see by opening a blank workspace with no charts, nothing in it, I have no problem. NinjaTrader opens immediately. Takes, what, a couple seconds. Whereas if I had another chart going on, depending on what's going on in that chart, oh my God, it could take however long. Not only that, but it seems there might, kind of a small sync issue maybe. If you open NinjaTrader, automatically connect, and it's opening the charts at the same time, you're going to find out that if you open your charts without data connected, they're all going to open, they're all going to be fine, you're going to see everything you're going to see, but the minute you connect to data, all those charts have to refresh again. And I'm not sure that when you're opening, automatically connecting, and opening a workspace all at the same time, that there aren't multiple reloads going on there. I've suggested this way since early in NT7. Even in NT7, if you open a workspace while automatically connecting, or even not automatically connecting, sometimes it wouldn't load all the data, sometimes it would. Sometimes you could corrupt workspaces. I just can't tell you how much aggravation that just doing this has saved over the years. Okay, so I'm going to quit hyping. Once I know everything's okay, I connect to my broker. I'm making sure that everything's okay all the way from the session break. Hey, let's check my accounts, make sure all my money's there, make sure there's no positions going on, check my strategies. I just want to make sure you're dealing with real money here, people. This is your business. Make sure when you open your platform in the morning that everything is just as you expect.